What's up, you guys? So you just seen a little clip of my last video where I explained everything and then I put way too much borax in. So then that video was. Okay, so I made another one that's called Tiny Slime. And I ended up throwing it away. I just made that like 2 minutes ago and I threw it away. So if you have watched that video, go and watch it. Hopefully yours will work out with mine. Because I think that was just too tiny. So, I don't know. Okay, so we're going to be making slime. You are like, reading this caption of this video, you were like, she's the craziest woman I've ever met. You are right. So we're going to be making slime out of here. These are my favorite things in this. I'm made no sugar strawberry. Okay. So, I'm not
Would you like some water?
Yes,
Don't drink glue. It's no good for you. She's trying to drink glue. No, not to.
Okay.
Oh.
Ooh.
Besides all that.
Okay. Quite something sticky. That's gonna stick there. Hey Grandpa, can I see your water real quick?
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
She needs a little bit for her weird science
I thought
experiment.
she drink it all.
No.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. It's just a little bitty water. Who cares? I'll just go over and get another one. But I'll wait till she opens one up. I'll take it and drink it. What you mixing? Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
Okay, so. Okay, I need your water.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay. I won't interfere this time. I'm sorry. Need any more borax? We got a bunch of it at our house.
Yeah, we make
Taste
slime.
and see how he's doing it.
You make what?
Slime.
Slime?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
This is one that Naomi made at a friend's house. That's the only really good one that worked. And we kept. We made it 2 other times, and then we threw all those away. So that's the really good one.
That is.
Yeah. Okay. So you have to mix that.
But it's this long now. There's returning goods, isn't there?
I think
That's
we
very nice. I hope she doesn't mind if I move that. She'll probably kill me.
No, we don't really try with it at all. Okay. Okay.
Oh, by the way, we're not going to
Grandpa spilled.
It's going to start next week again, okay?
I'm going to use this because I'm in a cardboard
Okay,
box.
that's one thing that's it. See you tomorrow, okay?
I'm in a cardboard bag.
Okay, bye.
And I know it's going to spill everywhere. What?
Casey and Kylie are going to Walmart.
That's me. Don't kill him, Naomi.
He's rather rough.
So this slime is going to be ended up throwing away left my
Oh, looky there. It's turning into the white snot.
I guess I might.
Slime! Mini slime on
I
a
guess
cardboard box.
We're making white snot here.
Yes, oh yes, isn't it lovely?
Yeah. I'm sure you're so proud.
Very much.
Do you?
Okay, I guess me and the girls are gonna run to Walmart, and I guess you guys are gonna go to Gordon's,
Matches.
Well, we are. I gotta take a shower first.
Okay.
That's for sure.
and Jeremy was saying something about going Fairway.
Okay.
We'll get burgers,
Okay.
and I'll make hash browns.
Sounds like a good plan. Yes,
Sounds good?
indeed.
Okay.
Yep. Yep.
Okay,
Yep.
so
I got it. Oh, look at that, would ya? So that's borax. And what else you put in there?
Yeah, it's
Glue.
glue, slime, and borax.
No, it's not glue, it's slime.
Oh,
No,
glue,
It makes
borax. They mix
Water.
them together with water, and then make slime.
Oh, okay. Way cool.
So this is a mini.
It is pretty
version
neat.
of
I mean, like at one
slime.
point they were showing so much online that literally you go any store and they have any glue.
They
Everybody was
have
going to buy
any?
glue. Yes. And then what's your other glue that you made?
My glitter one, I think
glit-
it's in the back.
Oh
of that
yeah, and then we
toothpaste.
made a glitter one with glitter glue.
And then I mixed like deodorant and perfume and everything with it. Now it's all slimy.
Deodorant slime?
Yeah,
Isn't that kind of a contradiction in terms?
Deodorant, perfume.
What'd you do in
My
here?
nail thing. Yeah.
You put
We're gonna
deodorant
throw it away anyway.
and perfume in here?
And
But that's like a
It's slime that smells really, really good.
yeah, I guess so.
and it does smell really, really good. And it's a lot
Oh,
more
wow.
like stickier
Yeah.
and slimier.
She's gonna smell it. How's it smell?
And I also use my nail stuff,
Smells
my
like perfume.
non-bite nails.
What is it? Does it kind of grow over? You ever seen a movie called The Blob? You really should. It looks like that stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, remember you can't do that on television. On like Nickelodeon or something, and anytime we said I don't know, it's
Oh, I
slimy
remember
with that
that.
green
Yeah.
slime.
Yeah.
Pour it all over you.
Oh, speaking of that, guess what's coming back? The Gong Show.
Oh, you're kidding.
No?
Really?
George Barris is dead. He ain't.
Well,
coming back.
He's
somebody,
not coming back.
somebody
No.
else is gonna do it.
Daddy hosed off the house there. Yeah, I gotta grab a shower and then we'd be able to go and all that.
But that slime is way
I'm
more
gonna take a
sticky
shower when I
than
get home.
the glitter
Okay.
glue slime. Because it was like hard to break apart. And now my
Yeah.
hands are all
Well, we've
full
been-
of that.
Working on the thing there all day, so I definitely need to clean
I
up.
told Casey, I said, what are you doing? He says, to make it home yet? He goes, no, I'm just going to Walmart with Kylie.
All right, okay.
So I told him we're not getting the paper